My name na Tommy Oyewole. I beg una, make una no comot that tire from Naija TV. Now go get TV way and I go enjoy.
Yes, on top your Otekwele TV still lapso. Yes, on Naija TV, the Omega TV for the people. And now while like this, we jump through back in enter Naija Tatafo segment 2 on top the Daybreak Naija for Otekwele TV. Yes, so we're newspaper, they hot like fire. My name is Bros Tata Tatafo. And I dare here with Susie of the Osusu Ministry. Susie, I found now.
Adeo.
Yes, so we don't show, we don't laugh, we don't broke back to take carry they go on top with national dailies as it take concern with national dailies. Yes, so for all of you way they new to Naija Tatafo with the torchlight, all the national dailies, Dance Galala for the Sun, the Punch, torchlight, all of them make it for make sense. Now while like this, we go enter Daily Independent like this and know what they saw for them flex story for Daily Independent. Okay. Okay, on top the replacement of the service ships, they say this one now too late in the day. There's a new service ship, they don't ask them, say, bro, so make una do more to achieve more. Yes, so on top of that one, they say we no fit commend President Muhammadu Bubu. Now who nyanda one no be me talk about na PDP plus inclusion Ezife and Nifere and others. They don't talk say no, we no fit congratulate President Muhammadu Bubu as he tell commode the service ship. Still on top of that one, they say APC don't rally support for the new service ship. Tell them say, bro, so make una achieve more. Better levels. Okay.
Still on top Daily Independent. Now they say on top people they do 5G. Say the deployment of the 5G so and say they face kata say because operators them say their infrastructure things where they go to do and say it no too kajad. Okay,
on top of that one, they say yes, so I lose properties and where yes, so the world they up to 5 million naira. I lose property like this and where the words they up to 5 million naira. Now who hear this one na Sunday Igboho. Now hear this one. If you go flex that on top page 29 for Inside Daily Independent. Okay, on top of that one, on top COVID-19 matter, aka Koro. They say Yaba left, they don't lose them director, they don't order closure for of the medical center plus inclusion student hostel. Now for Yaba left, where the director like this, he don't move come out from the land of the living. That's already there for page 5 for Inside Daily Independent. On top of that one, we get this one, tension for Inside Olo as social people like this, they don't take over the full city. Tension for Inside Olo as social people, they don't take over the city. Okay, on top of that one, this one talks say CBN don't return MPR at 11.5%, and they don't warn against total lockdown of we economy. CBN will be Central Bank of Nigeria like this. They don't return MPR at 11.5%. They don't warn against total lockdown of we economy. This one, and if you flex down for page 5 for Inside Daily Independent. See on top of that Daily Independent, this one talks say one person they don't move, one person they don't come up from the land of the living as police plus inclusion shite. Members of the Shite set for Islam group. Yes, so they don't clash for inside Abuja yesterday, and one person there he proved why other shoplet injury. Yes, so go flag that story for Inside Daily Independent. Okay, make we drop back and enter The Guardian and Susu go flex that one. The Guardian.
Yes, so for The Guardian, are still on top this service chief, then where they replace. On top of The Guardian, we see the Nigerians then they react to as Buhari don't appoint new service chief. So Nigerians they talk on top service chief where Buhari don't replace. Okay, this one talks say all you producing communities for inside we Obodo Nigeria, they don't tell the federal government or say make the match break or make the comot NDDC, maybe the Niger Delta Development Commission say make them comot them. Yes, or say it don't make sense. You go play that story for Inside The Guardian. Okay, this one talks say 14 people don't move for inside Benue Road crash. Yes, so and other shoplet better injury. Then on top the Sunday Igboho matter so for inside your state, Sunday Igboho they talk say in house where they born, so say the people when born the house say they be coward, being say they not get mind.
Yes.
Yes.
So picture of the day for inside the Guardian, you go see the new service shifts. Yes, so if you never sabi the new service shifts like this, and bro, so make you go grab a copy of the Guardian like this and make you meet them, know them, and also relate with them nowally. Okay, we'll go through back and enter Niger Tribune. We'll know what they saw for inside Niger Tribune. Okay, still on top that one, Nigerian Tribune don't show face. Okay, this one talks say, what thing we do to battle insecurity for Ibarapa, Okeogun, now Oyo State Govo, they yarn this one. What do we do to battle insecurity for inside Oyo State? Okay, this one makes sense. On top the appointment of the new service chiefs, they say XMBLF, PANDEV plus inclusion Wike, Wodo, APC plus PDP, they don't react plus inclusion set agenda for the new service chiefs. This new service chiefs matter. Now you be the rating. Okay. Ipefu boys don't wole 14 people at gunpoint for inside Kogi State. That one now for page 6 of the Niger Tribune. Ipefu boys they don't wole 14 people at gunpoint for inside Kogi State.
Then for page 6, you go see where they say six people don't move. And other people like this, that they find them as Akwa Ibom and Abia, their boundary wahala, just they climb up. You see, just they scatter everywhere they go.
Okay, on top of that one, they say murder plus inclusion 3 of our kids and 8 others like this, they don't drive for inside road accident, we saw for inside Benin State. 1 million like that, plus inclusion 3 of our kids and 8 other people like this, they don't shop, they don't come from the land of the living for inside road accident, we saw for inside Benue State. And now for page 25, you go flex that story.
Then on top COVID-19, CBN don't talk. Say like this, say they go roll out more palliative. Say because they want federal government like this, say make anything like lockdown no stop. As if we say our economy no go fee stand down.
Okay, on top community policing, the IGP of police, maybe the Inspector General of Police, don't talk, say they go recruit 8,360 personnel, yes, so nationwide to take off. Yes, so now the IGP of police talk that one on top the community policing where they solve. Okay, from there we go through back in, enter Daily Sun, make we know what they saw for inside Daily Sun. So, flex Daily Sun.
Yes, so for on top Daily Sun, the main story be say, hey, amid kudos, as they hail them, they see they nag them too, they see they give them their own. Say Irabo, Atairu, Gambo, Amao, and the others, they will take over as service chief. Then on top their matter, say Buhari can accept Buratai and the fellow former service chief their resignation and retirement based on say they know they do again, maybe they put other people to take over. Then Afenifere with Middle Belt Forum with Nwodo, the constituency, I say it is wrong to exclude the Southeast again for the new service chief. Then where they put the Northern Elder say, in fact, they say nothing, say no difference between the former chief and the new ones, so they take replace them.
Okay, on top the Abuja matter, the big way for inside Abuja, don't forget say police plus inclusion, the child set, they clash for inside Abuja. And they still talk on top that one, say the Oga Patapata for inside the child set, will be El Zazaki in secret trial go continue for inside March 8th. Okay, on top that one, there's a Catholic bishop and he don't back up the Southwest Govo on top the regulation of herdsmen activity for inside the zone. If you want to know who be the Catholic bishop, and all the bishops where nag this support, give the govos, them make you go flazer for inside page 8 of Daily Sun.
Okay, they say the reduced vehicle tariff, say na next week, na customs they talk down and know that vehicle tariff will be reduced by this thing 5% that time now. Say na next week, 9 they set, say na from next week you go carry waka. Then on top electoral act, they say INEC their chair with the senators them. Then they the final push like this to amend the law on top electoral act.
Yes, so now the story for there, and the main picture for inside that is on the picture of with new service shifts. So if you still want to know more about the new service shifts, plus inclusion the target where they set for them, make you go just grab a copy of that story like this, make you flex them well-aciously, make you try back enter the nation, know waiting they saw for inside the nation. the nation to read like this. Okay, on top of the nation, this one talks say, Amotekun like this, they don't intercept headers with better color. Yes, so headsmen we carry better color like this, headsmen Amotekun like this, don't intercept them for inside or your state. If you want to know more about that story like this, go flex them as it be. Yes, so what we expect from we new services by Nigerians. So now Nigerians they yarn this one, they don't talk say what we expect from we new service chiefs as President Muhammadu Buhari don't appoint the new service chiefs. Yes, so Nigeria people don't react. Still talk waiting they expect from the new service chiefs as they be.
Still on top the nation, CBN don't boost the economy with 8.8 trillion naira. That one na to take wage all the effects of the COVID-19 wey be say the rampage like this. Say Apex Bank said they can't even caution against another lockdown. No, say like this, say they don't want to hear anything about lockdown.
Okay, on top of that one, APC don't promise say yes, so we no go fair to observe all the safety precaution on top coronavirus during the registration. Now the APC will be the All Progressive Congress will be the ruling party for inside we Obodo Nigeria, and then the Yanda one say they no go fair to observe all the safety precaution as it take concern during the registration. We go solve real soon.
Then Sunday Igboho still the ginger. It's like this. He says some Yoruba leaders say na then they back the criminal headsmen them. Say the people then we set fire put for in house. Say them be coward. Sunday Igboho now they rant down one, now they ginger down one.
Okay, make we back enter the Daily Times. Know what they saw for inside Daily Times. Yes, so Daily Times like this. Susu full exam.
On top Daily Times, so now see the service chief matter na intake center stage. Say they hate some people, they hate Buhari. Some people see they tell say I beg you not quick do the thing when we say you need to do. Then still they say one person don't die. Many people like this say they don't injure, they don't collect injury on top the police and shirt class for inside Abuja. Then the court they don't order say last say the former governor will be Yari so saying huge money. The court they don't finally say okay they don't forfeit and forfeit we say when you come on her for something.
Okay, still on the security beg like this, they say Melu S-Mel like this, they don't stop for inside Ekiti Forest like this. Ekiti Forest Reserve, they destroyed the maize farm we locate for inside there. See on the security beg, headsmen, Melu headsmen like this, they don't stop Ekiti Forest Reserve, destroyed the maize farm where they for inside there. Okay, still on top the Sunday Igboho matter like this, the bros say, yes, so Ikpefo boys, they set my house on fire like this. Yes, so now in the other one still on top of that one, the bros still talk say yes, so I be done yarn with the APC national leader will be Bola Tinubu. Okay, from there like this, we dance galala enter inside Vanguard. Know waiting the soft for inside Vanguard. Okay, for inside Vanguard like this, and I'm still on top the appointment of the new service chief. They say JS plus Inclusion Hope as new service chiefs don't take over. Yes, so JS plus Inclusion Hope as new service chiefs don't take over.
Then all communities then for the southern part of Nigeria, they don't tell say hey, like this, say me they scrap NDDC now. Now federal government they tell that one, say me they scrap NDDC. Okay,
this one talks say Catholic bishops, so they don't yarn the new services, so make una allow Amotekun like this, make them and other security network for inside other zone like this, and make they strive. Yes, so na Catholic bishops yarn that one.
Still on top insecurity, they say gunmen like this, they don't move two policemen and one other person. They can't even kidnap 14 people for inside Taraba, Kogi, and Delta states. Okay,
still on top, bros Sunday Igboho matter. The bros don't say those people will bomb my house, they go run mad in the next 48 hours. So now in down say those people like this, they go crazy for the next 48 hours. Now bros Sunday nyan this one. Okay. This one talk say another lockdown go wound we economy in the Central Bank of Nigeria. This one say if we enter another lockdown, yes, so it go wound we economy. Yes, so now so it be on top the Vanguard. Okay, from there like this, so go dance galala, enter the punch, go punch some punching things for inside the punch. Punching things. Okay. Okay.
Say 20 generals like this, say they go move or they go need to give chance as Buhari don replace Buratai and the former other service chief demo. Say the courses like this, it causes 34 and 35 members. Say na then they go, na then the thing go affect pass. Say army chief go see retain some of them. Shall say but na causes 34 and 35. Say na then I go affect. Then na ACF and the FCF with other forums they pray for the new service chief why they cause it they talk say President Muhammadu Buhari say he don't feel on top security matter. Even Afenifere call they talk say say they come the fault as they no include Southeast for the new service chief where we say they appoint. Call they talk say Buhari still they loaded with nepotism. Na Afenifere now they talk that one you flex them on top punch.
Okay, the National Examination Council will be NECO, they don't postpone the GCE, will be the the GCE where they be rescheduled, and also reschedule some papers and where they miss during the NSAS protest. So if that one concern you, go flex them for inside page 11 for inside the punch. This one can talk say so driver where police Lagos State tax force they pursue like this he don't kill bricklayer. Driver where Lagos State tax force they pursue he don't kill bricklayer. So that's already there for inside the punch. Go flex them as they be. Okay, this one on top the Melu Hesme we enter inside the Ekiti maize farm. They say Amatoku like this, they don't probe so Hesme destruction on top the Ekiti maize farm. So that one day for inside the punch. Now we go see that story.
They say exporters and importers, their wahala say it's just the worst they go for port so then LCCI and then they comment that one and then they ginger that one. See exporters and importers, their wahala say the worst for the ports.
Okay, Niger Customs don't come with this one. They talk say they slash on top imported vehicle duties like this. It go begin next week. Now Niger Customs the answer one. If you want to know more about that one, go for page 18 for inside the punch flex that story as it be. Okay, from there like this, we go enter Sporting Life. Make you flex on it like this for inside Sporting Life and know what they saw for inside Sporting Life as it concerns the beautiful world of sport. Okay, make we start this one. This one talks say Real Madrid don't set up to pursue PSG star boy will be Kylian Mbappe. Real Madrid don't set up to pursue PSG star boy will be Kylian Mbappe. So and that one talks say Tuchel don't become Chelsea manager after they don't sack Frank Lampard. Tuchel don't become Chelsea manager after the club he don't sack Frank Lampard. Then
on top Di Maria in free transfer, they say Tottenham they don't toast him.
Okay, this one talks say in a shop no they go anywhere. In a shop no they go anywhere. Now Leicester City they yarn this one. Make you not forget say the Bobo they talk say the Bobo fee enter inside one club like that go run some Paroski, but the club don't come and clear say so in a shop we know they let them go anywhere. Now so it be.
Then Igalo don't move come off for Man United don't shift.
Okay. Everton manager will be Carlo Ancelotti don't yet say Niger star boy will be Alexander Iwobi. He go there available for the match. Niger star boy will be Alexander Iwobi. He go there available for the match. So on top of that one we'll go throwback enter Sporting Sun. Make we match break for on top Sporting Sun. Make we know what they saw for inside Sporting Sun.
On top Sporting Sun, they say the Anigalo like this they under house arrest. So if you want to know the kind house arrest where they just boss them there, make you go flex them for inside Sporting Sun. Still on top of that one, Chelsea don't confirm and say so true Tuchel na him be the new manager where we get. Chelsea don't confirm and say true na Tuchel be the new manager where we get. Okay. And because of that one self, Lampard don't they complain or say in fact say he they disappointed. If you want to know why Lampard they disappointed, you go flex on for Sporting Sun. So
Nigeria basketball national team will be the Tigers. They don't open the camp for the 2021 Afro Basket qualifiers. Nigeria national basketball team, the senior team like this will be the Tigers. They don't open the camp for the 2021 Afro Basketball qualifiers. Okay. This still on top that one. This one Totorimi. They say Mercy plus inclusion in family. They don't they learn how to speak French. Mercy plus inclusion in family. They learn how to speak French. No forget say the Bobo he get linked to enter Paris Saint-Germain will be PSG. Yes, so still on top that one. They say Real Madrid don't set up levels like this to take Sheikh Mbappe. Yes, so Starboy Mbappe enter Real Madrid. Yes, so Nassau Ibi. Okay, this one Totorimi. They say the coach of Inter Milan will be Conte, Antonio Conte, like this, the boy don't shopulate too much ban on top waiting saw for match we saw between Inter Milan and AC Milan for inside San Siro. Okay, now for there we go match break on top Niger Tata 4 for your Quality TV Niger TV as it take us time with national dailies. Yes, so Susu, you don't see them now. The Tory, the new service chiefs, and Sunday, but we talk say. Those boys were born in house, they go run mad in the next 48 hours with a weight, run mad in the next 48 hours.
No, it's funny, but it's not funny.
It's funny, but it's not funny. Take us say we they try create peace because the kind of tension where the southwest region, just today we just get how say herdsmen enter Ekiti maize farm. Yes, so one big farm like that,
when
everything.
They use violence, they pursue violence. Now to cause kata everywhere. So I don't even understand the Congo Bondi man. You wish for the man to talk to them.
I tell you, so the people talk say they go run mad in the next 48 hours. Where they see, and on top of these service chiefs, I never too shook eye for their matter. But for President Muhammadu Bubu to still neglect the southeastern part of Nigeria on top of the appointment, I'm not sure say the President is they consider national character on top of this one. You go still wait for him talk people, may they tell us now why President still ignore the southeast. I mean the southeast no get person will be general for inside the army. Now sorry we go live like this. Okay, now we go talk match breaks. So what you go tell what people are
my people, now don't see a knife. Now want to collect the latest dailies, you understand? On top on our hot newspaper. Now on top Tatafo, you know get where you want go. Now here you go sit down and get them. And make you not forget say Broscoro, you see the outside. And not into the tell now. Make una the mind that they do the wash out now they do, you understand? Because they say health now in the way. So before hand now waiting, so before leg. Mona stay blessed, stay locked.
All right, don't forget say your character and your CB identity. And from myself as Susu, we they tell you, yes, so carry on to go. Remain a good citizen, no yes, cause beggar. Peace not the ultimate. Always they encourage them. It's very, very important. But yes, so una bye bye you.
Wado.
If you wanna get some fun, to your TV, to Niger TV. You know what it is? It's your boy LC. I can see anything here, but the only thing I can see right now is Niger TV. So don't even think of touching. Don't touch that at all. Niger TV. Boko.